What if I told you that the perfect union between elegance and power does indeed exist? We're about to delve into this intriguing topic where metal comes to life with a touch of style and potency. So join us on this journey towards the synthesis of the hidden art in each firearm. Welcome once again to Guns and Roses. We're back with another video. Today, we'll delve deep into the world of the best semi-automatic pistols. In this video, we present to you a top 8 ranking where we'll explore the best options for semi-automatic pistols. We'll provide you with every detail, ensuring that when it comes time to choose, you do so with awareness. Before we kick off this video, we invite you to support our community by subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support helps us grow on the platform and expand our channel. Don't forget to ring that bell to stay updated on all our content and share this video so your friends don't miss out on our creations. Number 2, Sig Sauer P229 Legion. As we reach the second position, we encounter the Sig Sauer P229 Legion, a masterpiece that combines Swiss precision with German engineering. This pistol, with its metal frame, offers a perfect balance between compact size and powerful performance. The P229 Legion has earned acclaim for its reliability and its ability to handle a wide range of situations. Diving deeper into the features that distinguish the Sig Sauer P229 Legion in the realm of metal-framed semi-automatic pistols, let's spotlight its enhanced trigger system. The P229 Legion boasts a custom single-action trigger that provides a smooth and consistent pull, contributing to exceptional accuracy. The trigger reset is notably short, allowing for rapid and precise follow-up shots. The P229 Legion's compact design with a 3.9-inch barrel makes it well suited for concealed carry and close quarters engagement. The X-Ray 3 day-night sights enhance target acquisition in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the gray PVD finish not only adds a touch of elegance, but also provides increased durability. Sig Sauer's Legion series represents the pinnacle of their craftsmanship, and the P229 Legion exemplifies this commitment to excellence. Whether you're a law enforcement professional or a discerning civilian, the P229 Legion stands as a testament to precision engineering and functional design. Number 3, Heckler & Koch VP9 Tactical. In the third place, we present the Heckler & Koch VP9 Tactical, a pistol that has gained recognition for its advanced design and reliable performance. While H&K is known for tactical firearms, the VP9 Tactical with its metal frame offers a robust option for those seeking a versatile pistol. Let's delve into the features that make the Heckler & Koch VP9 Tactical a compelling choice in the world of metal-framed semi-automatic pistols. One standout aspect is its innovative striker-fired system, providing a consistent and crisp trigger pull. The metal frame enhances durability, ensuring the pistol can withstand the rigors of various shooting environments. The VP9 Tactical features a 4.7-inch barrel, offering a balanced combination of accuracy and maneuverability. Its unique grip design with interchangeable back straps and side panels allows users to customize the grip to fit their hands comfortably. This adaptability ensures that the VP9 Tactical can cater to a wide range of shooter preferences. Heckler & Koch's reputation for engineering excellence is reflected in the VP9 Tactical's enhanced features. The threaded barrel makes it suppressor ready, adding another dimension to its tactical capabilities. Whether for duty use, personal defense, or recreational shooting, the VP9 Tactical stands out as a reliable and adaptable choice. Number 4, Springfield Armory 1911 Frame Shooter. Arriving at the 4th position, we encounter the Springfield Armory 1911 Range Shooter, a masterpiece that blends classic elegance with modern performance. Its metal frame not only gives it a distinguished appearance, but also contributes to its stability and durability. This pistol is a popular choice among competition enthusiasts due to its exceptional precision. Let's delve further into the features that make the Springfield Armory 1911 Range Officer a standout in the realm of metal-framed semi-automatic pistols. One notable aspect is its match-grade barrel, meticulously crafted for accuracy. This feature ensures that each shot is delivered with precision, making it a preferred choice for those seeking top-notch performance on the range. The 1911 Range Officer's 5-inch barrel provides an extended sight radius, aiding in target acquisition and overall shooting accuracy. The adjustable target sight adds another layer of customization, allowing shooters to fine-tune their aim. Its single-action trigger enhances the overall shooting experience, offering a crisp and clean break. Springfield Armory has a rich history, and the 1911 Range Officer pays homage to the classic design while incorporating modern advancements. Whether you're participating in competitions or honing your skills at the range, this pistol delivers a combination of style and performance. Number 5. Glock 17 Gen 5. Moving into the 5th position, we introduce the Glock 17 Gen 5, a reliable choice for those seeking consistent performance. While Glock is known for its polymer frames, the Gen 5 version features an internal metal part that enhances durability and stability. This pistol combines simplicity and effectiveness, making it a popular choice among shooters of all levels. Let's delve into the distinctive features of the Glock 17 Gen 5. Glock pistols are renowned for their safe action system, and the Gen 5 takes it a step further with improved triggers and a more ergonomic design. The metal internal component, combined with Glock's signature polymer, ensures a balance of strength and weight, contributing to the pistol's overall reliability. The Glock 17 Gen 5 comes with a 4.49-inch barrel, offering a versatile combination of accuracy and maneuverability. Its modular design allows for easy customization with various accessories and optics catering to individual preferences. The 17-round magazine capacity ensures you're well equipped for various shooting scenarios. Glock's commitment to innovation is evident in the Gen 5 series, and the Glock 17 Gen 5 with a metal frame insert is a testament to their dedication to continuous improvement. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a first-time shooter, the Glock 17 Gen 5 provides a reliable and effective platform. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M&P 9 M2.0. In the 6th spot, we find the Smith & Wesson M&P 9 M2.0, a modern pistol with a metal frame that combines strength and versatility. This model has gained popularity for its ergonomic design and advanced features. The metal frame contributes to its durability, providing a solid foundation for reliable performance. Diving deeper into the features of the Smith & Wesson M&P 9 M2.0, let's highlight its modular design. This pistol offers interchangeable grip panels, allowing users to customize the grip size to fit their hands comfortably. Whether you have smaller or larger hands, the M&P 9 M2.0 can be tailored to your preferences, enhancing overall control and shooting experience. The pistol's 4.25-inch barrel strikes a balance between compactness and accuracy. The combination of a stainless steel slide and a rigid metal frame ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion for both recreational shooting and more demanding scenarios. The 15-round magazine capacity provides an ample supply of ammunition. Smith & Wesson's M&P series has carved a name for itself in the firearms world, and the M2.0 with a metal frame continues this legacy. It's not just a pistol, it's a system designed to adapt to the shooter's needs. And there you have it, firearm enthusiasts, a comprehensive exploration of the top metal-framed semi-automatic pistols. Each of these pistols brings a unique blend of history, craftsmanship, and performance to the table. We appreciate you joining us on this exploration. So what's your favorite option? Which innovations are you most excited about for the future? We'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content on firearms. If you enjoy watching this type of content, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you in the next one. Bye for now.